Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the BANG OLUFSEN Beosound speaker, and I'm going to tell you how you can easily install it up for your iPhone and how to set up your speaker with it. So, at first we have to enter App Store, and here we have to search in the search bar for this application, BANG OLUFSEN. Here search BANG and BANG and OLUFSEN. This is this application, and it's this. We have to tap this here, cloud icon or get button. If you have here this get button, you have to authorize yourself using the Face ID or Apple ID password. And remember that this application is not paid, it's free, completely free, so don't worry. And after downloading the application, we have to tap open. Now, I recommend being connected with your speaker before doing this whole process. Then you have to tap allow and allow again. Here we can tap dismiss and skip for allowing push notifications. Now we have to search here this list for our speaker. We have to scroll down to the Bluetooth speakers, and it is, as you can see here, connecting to product. If you're not paired with this speaker before this whole process, you have to just enter prank mode and then tap your speaker on the device list. Now we are fetching product images. And now we can tap next and we are all done. That's it, hope it helps you, and goodbye!